Photo to PDF Maker. Converter is an Android application designed to convert images and photos into PDF documents. This app caters to users who need to create professional-looking PDFs from their images quickly and easily. Typically, the application allows users to select multiple photos from their device, adjust the order of the images, and customize settings such as page size and orientation. Users can often preview the final PDF before conversion, ensuring that the output meets their expectations. The app may also offer additional features, such as the ability to add text, annotations, or watermarks to the PDF for enhanced customization. Once the conversion is complete, users can save the PDF to their device, share it via email or cloud storage, and print it directly if needed. Overall, Photo to PDF Maker Converter serves as a convenient tool for anyone looking to digitize their photographs into portable document format, making it easy to share and store images in a professional manner.